Ashu Mehta. I am a Honeywell Aerospace Field Service Engineer working in customer and product support. Today, I'm going to show you an enhancement on the Honeywell My Aerospace portal, which gives you access to product reliability updates. Firstly, you must log into the My Aerospace portal with your user ID and password. From the landing page, if you already have shortcuts selected, you can select Technical Support. If not, select Services and Support. You'll see a number of drop-downs and you need to select Support. From the next set of drop-downs, you select Technical Support. On the Technical Support page, you will see that we have many technical support tools available, including training videos and publications. In this instance, we want product reliability updates.
We are pleased to announce a new feature on our Product Reliability Update page. You can now subscribe to receive updates whenever a new presentation is posted. From the Product Reliability Update page, select Subscribe to Updates. Populate the form with your details. Tick the checkbox and submit. You will now receive notification every time a new reliability presentation is posted.
I hope you found this short video helpful. Thank you.